I'm Pakistani and you watching Mr. Pakistan. Today this video I will teach you how you can make and the next part, which part I can show you how you can control your this Bluetooth car with help of gesture control. So this is Bluetooth car which I already made, and this is my project which contain Arduino and accelerometer connects Arduino 5 volt down to ground, SDA to SDA, SCL to SCL. Arduino I load a code which goes inside, and there is connected to my laptop from 3, and there is a code. When I run the code and turn on the Bluetooth, and it will run my car. Now once pause, I will make a setup, then continue the video once pause. Like that way. Now we try forward, first connect the Bluetooth. Now those backward first. Now those forward. Now those rightward. Now those leftward. It will little bit take time to move other direction, since wheel are moving in one direction. If you will need to other direction, it will take time. Now the forward. Cars go out of frame, so that's why I will show in the frame. So that's why I pause them and reset the car back position, because it is those of once turn the left, right, forward, backward. Include wire data library for serial light to see limitation, Adafruit sensor data library which is used for Adafruit sensor like ADHL. Ash include ADHL, Adafruit ADXL345, U data library which is ADHL library, accelerometer library. These two thresholds are not used in this project. Baud rate is 9066 for PC serial limitation with PC, enabling the ASC.BRAIN enable the communication between accelerometer and Arduino. If communication is not well, their serial print do not find valid ADXL chat variant. And there's two variables create sensor dot event acceleration that event integer values y and x axis values. So it will read x and y values from the sensor accelerometer. If x value equals then 0, y value less than 0, it sends B. Else, if x value x is equals 0, y axis data equal than 0, it sends F. Else, if y equals 0 and x greater than 0, it sends R. Else, if y greater than equal than 0, x greater than 0, it will send y. I mean x and y both are equal than 0, it will send S and delay 500 milliseconds. First, we upload all the required necessary libraries. Then, we made a variable known as the fruit ADXL unified acceleration. Then we can establish the system and baud rate commutation. Then we commutation figure that commutation which commutation use. Try to see other commutation which commutation ADXL 345 is used. Then made a two variables which is known as sensor dot event sensor event t dot event acceleration that event. Then we can read x and y values from sensor. Then there's a conditions which is x equal 0, y less than 0, b x equal 0, y greater equal than 0, f y equals 0 h less greater than 0, then r 0 y equals 0 h greater than 0, greater equal than 0, 0.l 0 y equals 0 and h equals 0, send s and delay for 5 milliseconds. This is the code. And if you do, then next to do, I can pause.